Good morning. Say hi to my vlog. Hey, ayaw ka sa vlog ko. Okay lang. Wala. Ano si daddy?
Pumasok ba yun?
Tapos na? Oo. Ni-request ng ko. Boss ko is carbonara. And chicken wings. Anong flavor to?
Soy peanut saka soy garlic.
Soy garlic and Thai peanut. Naiyak na yung aso ko. So, lalabas natin siya. Samahan niyo ko. Bis lang ako. So, ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa kotse. I took a bath, dried my hair, and later I'm gonna show you my outfit. And I have here a balloon, and then also yung gift ko para sa boss ko. And then now we're gonna drive to the place. We're done. Time check. It's 2:35 and we just finished celebrating the birthday of my supervisor. That was fun. So now we're gonna be going back home. I'm gonna pick up my mom. So ayan na si Mami. Para ka sa kanyang manugang. Manugang ba tawag doon? Pila. Disruptor tawag dyan. For $69.99. Tignan na ngayon kung tama. Ayan yung sa kapatid ko.
Kaya kung may damage. Kasi dadalhin sa Pinas.
9.5 ang size.
Check.
Nike, patingin ako ng style. Para sa kapatid. Pang Disney yung kulay, oh, Mickey Mouse. This is for $75. And then, ito yung kay Ami. Fila Disruptor. Today is 2 days before my flight, and actually last night I already packed some of my stuff, and then I'm gonna show you that right now. It's right there, the big one, and the small one is still empty because we're still gonna go shopping today for the things that we'll bring for family and friends. I scheduled an appointment for Primo, my dog, to have him groomed at 2 p.m. and then I'm gonna go to the gym right now and say good morning to my Primski. Who is that? Who's that good boy? You're gonna be groomed today. He's gonna get groomed today, and then I'm gonna change my sheets and wash this. So yeah, these are all the stuff. Those are all pasalubongs, like right there. So those are the things that I'll still need to put inside my luggage. So good luck to me. So yun lang. I'll see you at the gym. Wait. Hey! Aso. Lakas. tayo ng mga pack ng chocolates para sa mga pasalubong. Tsaka supplies ng kanila. Mga supplies.
Ikaw tatapatin ko eh. Nawawala ka kasi kaya ganito ko.
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, parang stock siya din natin. Chicken.
Dami ah. Wala na bang stock doon? Ano pang isang buwan? Grabe.
Wala pa ba kayo ng ulam?
Asan? Ha? Tama, 5-6.
Tignan nyo guys. Inspired by Beanie. Oh. Yeah, inspired by Beanie. Nood kasi ako nood ng shopping haul. Oh, si Mami.
Sign up and you will get this tote bag for free.
Ang laki! Pang shopping! Nay. Ang laki.
Lalagay ko dito.
Ang laki.
Ayan na si Primo. Primo! Kaya mag-isa. Bango na! Bango na! Bango na! Pati mo kayo lang.
So, hello. Ito ang pagkain namin. Look who's with me. Napakatagal. Ano oras na?
Time check.
12:47 and we're here at ano lugar to?
Bites.
Bites. Ito ay lamb with veggies. Lamb with veggies. Tapos white sauce barbecue sauce. Tapos tomatoes. Sa kanya naman is
Chicken
with pipino.
Salad.
Ano ba yun? Pipino? Pipino, tomatoes, lettuce. Sa kanya is spicy. So, yan. I got some crabs for dessert.
madali siyang kainin kasi hiwa-hiwa into square.
Wala, mic.
Ah, ewan ko.
Hello.